Over the weekend, I was doing my best to dig out this half-dead tree, tree stump. But it has been raining for 2-3 days, so I have to stop it. Then what do you do on a raining day? Raining day, shopping day. I can always go to the garden center. Today is the first day this garden center in Germany have this year's bulbs on the new in the market. So I picked up this one, very important. One of my best friend is totally crazy for that, but she has a cat. She has a digging cat, so I take the responsibility to plant them. I hope they come nicely next year. And this, I just randomly pick up some as a companion for my rose. This is the only plant I accept to plant together with my lovable rose, because they will not expand like crazy, they will not have a strong smell, and they can prevent different kinds of worms, which is perfect. And a big size Teelauch. I don't know the English name, but we have the photo here. This is very expensive in Switzerland, so let's try. Look at the size. Last year I planted the normal size one. It's okay, but the huge ones are really attractive. And the superstar of today's shopping. Yes, my third purchase of hardy hibiscus. We call it hibiscus here. This label says it's red, but it looks like dark red. Let's see, but look how hairy they are. I already have two of a new type of a hybrid hibiscus in garden. They are beautiful, and they look powerful and beautiful and strong. So this is the third one. I hope it goes well. And this is from a company I have not tried before. They have also white, pale pink, pale rosa, and pink, real pink, like shocking pink. So let's try the red one. And this is a double coneflower. Just pick it up randomly in the neighborhood shop because it's cute. Yes, the tulips. This year's tulips by this shop, I have to say I like neither of them, but I've been there too long, so I have to pick up something. And then look at these beautiful plants. The colorful, the shining golden color and pink. Everybody knows it's not winter hot. That is why nobody buy them over the summer holiday, and they grow so big. So I think maybe I plant them in a pot, then try to move them to the garden house over the winter. Anyway, it's not expensive. Let's take the risk. They are really shiny. I love them. And then this is hydrangea I picked up at our supermarket, a local supermarket. As usual, it is called hydrangea without any name. My guess is forever and ever according to the price, and it blooms from both old wood and new wood. That's my guess. Our local market never say the name, just hydrangea. Take it or leave it. And then This is my regret shopping. I don't know, I want to have a dark red hibiscus, which turns out to be a dark pink. Very disappointed. So that's the shopping for today. And this guy in the back is a magical Mont Blanc. I bought it like 2-3 weeks ago. It's not from today's damage. It started raining again. It looks like really the lady is boring, huh? Just pick up anything available in the garden center